Have you ever wondered why you can't install an APK file on an iPhone? The answer lies in the fundamental differences between iOS and APK. These two terms represent two distinct mobile operating systems. iOS is developed by Apple and used exclusively on iPhones, while APK is a file format used to distribute and install applications on Android devices. Let's delve into the key differences. Firstly, we have the operating system. iOS is the brainchild of Apple, powering iPhones, iPads, and iPod touches. APK, however, is not an operating system. It is a file format used by Android to distribute and install applications. Secondly, we have app distribution. iOS apps are dispatched through the Apple App Store, a platform tightly controlled by Apple with strict guidelines for developers. APK files, conversely, can be distributed through a variety of channels, encompassing the Google Play Store, third-party app stores, or directly from websites. Next, consider the security model. iOS is known for its stringent security model, which includes sandboxing apps to prevent unauthorized data or resource access. Android also has a robust security model, but allows more flexibility and customization, which can sometimes result in security vulnerabilities if not managed properly. Then there's fragmentation. iOS devices are exclusively manufactured by Apple, enabling tighter hardware-software integration and a more consistent user experience across devices. Android, on the other hand, is used by numerous manufacturers, leading to fragmentation in terms of hardware specifications and software versions. Lastly, the development environment. iOS app development mainly utilizes Apple's Xcode IDE and the Swift programming language. Android app development can employ a variety of tools and languages, including Android Studio, Kotlin, and Java. In conclusion, while both iOS and Android have their strengths and weaknesses, they cater to different user preferences and needs. So the next time you try to install an APK file on an iPhone, remember the differences between these two platforms. It's like trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. It just won't work. Instead, head over to the Apple App Store to find iOS-compatible applications.